Hey, Amber Mimz here, creator and founder of Hair Sprinkles, and I'm so excited to take you guys on a mobile hair sprinkles appointment with me. Now, I'm just getting ready, for these types of appointments. I like to be comfortable because sometimes I'm standing on my feet for quite some time. So I'm just giving sweats and some sneakers, and I have thrown on some really cute accessories, including a pair of earrings that I made myself from my line 2322, and then I'm heading out. So come on, let's see. So I start every single appointment with a consultation, and when arriving for this appointment, I was so disheartened to see that somebody did this to my client's hair. Now, this is my first time visiting her. This is her first time getting real hair sprinkles, but her stylist, who is not certified, did this on her hair, put these adornments in her hair. It appears that she's used some type of thread that maybe you use to like tighten styles or to maybe put in tracks, which is not conducive for longevity, especially not for the type of technique that we're using. Again, here it looks like maybe she switched it up and used some type of plastic. Nonetheless, in addition to the types of material that she's used to install the adornments themselves are too large for this lock size, for her lock size, and they're absolutely way too close together. So they're already causing the locks to weaken on the ends. If you could feel the ends of her hair, you could feel that they're starting to become heavy, and the closeness of the adornments is what's causing that to happen. Even the material type of the adornment makes a difference. Some of these appear to be plastic. Some of these appear to be imitation gemstones. I took this one out, but as you can see, it's already started to pull apart from the lock itself. So that's what happens when that heaviness comes into play. And damage is one of those things that happens over time. I think that people get excited and they want to try new things and they try them on folks, but they don't consider the wear and tear. They don't consider what damage can happen over time. So we took everything out, started from scratch, because she absolutely deserves that. And I'm so glad that she found me and I could help her out and repair and take these things out and start completely over. So we're starting with, first and foremost, adornments that are compatible to her lock size, so that they can last as long as they should. Obviously, I'm always applying the same effective, long-lasting, non-damaging technique. And placement makes a huge difference in so many different ways. So if you are planning on getting adornments, getting hair sprinkles, lock sprinkles, make sure that you're going to somebody who's certified, because in those workshops and people who are certified, they're learning the importance of what to look for, what adornment types to use, what's going to be compatible with different hair types. We talk about spacing. We talk about even the proper removal of them. There's so many different things that we learn, that I'm teaching, I should say, in this hair sprinkles workshop. So making sure that you're going to somebody who's certified, who's offering consultations, who knows what they're doing, goes a hell of a long way. So if you're interested, make sure that you join the tribe. Workshops are available online 24/7. Join at your leisure, and I am here to help. We have a whole tribe of people who are learning and who are also offering their feedback as well. So join us.